Egypt is trying to cut on expenditure and reduce a budget deficit that exceeds $10 billion. And many public sector companies have been a load on the state. They have too many workers, grow their wage bill every year, despite posting annual losses. The government is now relieving itself of the burden by putting up these companies in the stock market. And is starting with the most successful, the oil companies.
Some of these companies, such as Medor, they are huge companies, the largest in Egypt, with good profitability. And using the latest technology in Egypt, the National Bank of Egypt owns 40% of its shares and will be put into the stock market.
In 2005, the government embarked on the privatization process. More than 270 companies were sold to investors. It opened the door for corruption and was not popular with the public. Some fear this could be a repeat.
I don't agree. They are selling the state assets. They are selling the country. Why should they privatize? The revenue will be lost and people will lose their jobs.
In spite of the concerns of some, others feel the IPO will give a boost to these companies and the labor market.
The listed petroleum companies are giants like Petrojet, NP, Suez and Tanta petroleum companies, but they need to grow and develop. This means adding new investments. These funds will aid in the marketing of Egyptian products, will increase sales and employment opportunities as well.
The news has already been received positively in the stock market. It gained over $300 million on Thursday. The government estimates a revenue of $800 million from the IPO. Coupled with a $3 billion bonds to be issued next week, this will go a long way in balancing the state's budget. Yasser Hakim for CCTV, Cairo.